In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Revolut password. This can be incredibly useful, particularly if you're looking to update your security settings without having to use facial recognition. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Revolut app. Once you have the app open, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you will notice a small icon representing your profile. It's usually in the shape of a little person or a circular avatar. This is your portal to managing your account settings. Give that profile icon a tap and it will take you into a page filled with all sorts of options related to your account. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Account. This is where you can manage various security settings among other things, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you're going to be on the hunt for the Change Passcode option. It's a critical step because this is where the magic happens. Clicking this option signals to the app that you want to update or change your passcode for added security. Here comes the slightly technical part, but don't worry, it's straightforward. To ensure that it's you making these changes, Revolut might ask you to verify your identity. Typically, this involves taking a quick photo, just a simple security protocol to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll see an option to continue. Go ahead and click Continue. This will guide you to the next step, which is creating a new passcode. Now, creating a new passcode is your opportunity to choose something memorable, yet secure. It's generally a good idea to avoid using sequential numbers or overly simplistic codes that might be easily guessed. Take a moment to think of a new, secure sequence that you'll remember. Once you've put in your new passcode, you'll reach the step to confirm it. The app will ask you to re-enter the passcode you just created. This is just a precautionary measure to make sure there were no typos or mistakes when you first entered it. And just like that, you're basically done. With your new passcode confirmed, you've successfully updated your password without the need for facial recognition. It's always a good practice to keep your security settings updated and remember to store your new passcode safely. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Until next time, take care and keep your account secure.